So relax. Let me show you a little bit of how to create wallet. It is the same process. Watch through the video to find out how you can actually easily create your wallet, save the passphrase, and then configure your phone to accept the Touch ID, and you're good. Yesterday, the Pi Network team released an update, and up to this moment, a lot of people are seeking for information to find out what exactly the update means. So in this video, we're going to talk about exactly what you should expect, what you should do. I'm going to try my best to take you through some steps of what exactly we should do with this new update. In the update, Nicholas talked about how the browser was created and then the wallet has been embedded in the browser, which simply means that we're not expecting a wallet to be existing on its own in our regular app like you would see on the screen. So a lot of people are confused. They've gone down here to check if they can find the browser and also if they can find the wallet. But the truth is, the wallet does not appear on the app. Rather, what appears in the app that you're currently using is the Pi browser. So what does this mean? To break down some of the things that Nicholas have explained is this. Very simple. The Pi wallet has been embedded in the Pi browser. So if you're going to use the Pi wallet, you need to look for it in the Pi browser. The second thing Nicholas explained, or what he said, is browser was designed in order to accommodate a lot of other apps in the future. This is great news. Don't get it wrong. This is great news. It simply means that developers can now start developing different apps that can integrate and connect directly to Pi, but they don't need to reside outside. So from the browser, you can actually connect all these apps. You can actually see what is going on with these apps. So that is great news. I know a lot of you watching this video are interested in how to actually get it going. How do I move on? What is going on? How do I access the wallet? Because the whole notion is that the wallet was going to appear as an entity on the app. It is actually existing in the Pi wallet. And what the Pi wallet also has, I'm going to open it right now. What the Pi wallet also has is it also has the chat Pi that you conventionally have in your Pi app, and it also has the mine, which is where already we all know the Pi app just shows you your mind state and everything. It already embedded in the Pi browser. And it also has the Brainstorm Pi, which is an app developed again. So what they have done is they have put everything under one browser, and then they made it easier for developers to integrate into other apps in the future. Another thing you need to understand is the other apps in the future will have stress-free integration and connection to the Pi. Once an app is developed, for instance, in the future an app is developed, and that app you can actually shop on the app, search for things, and you need to make payments. You do not need to start looking for how to exchange your Pi or how to send Pi to whatever payment you're doing. Also remember that this is the testnet, so we're going to go through a lot of testing process to see if this works. But for me, it is fantastic. It is lovely. I like it. Again, Nicholas mentioned that it is going to be a decision between the core team and obviously everyone else, that is the pioneers, to decide if they're going to merge the Pi app that we're currently using and the Pi browser. If they're going to merge both of them together in order to just put it in one case, so you don't have to use two apps. When you click on the wallet, it takes you straight to your wallet. What you're seeing right here is because I've already created my wallet and I have my passphrase already. So, but for some of us who have not done it, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that later in the video. Now, one thing again they've also done is, because the passphrase is usually very long, what is the quickest and the shortest way to do it? So they've made some few changes, which is beautiful. What they have added right now is the idea that you can unlock your passphrase, you can unlock your wallet with a Touch ID. So if you're using smartphones that actually has a Touch ID enabled, or you have some sort of security enabled on your phone, that could as well capture your passphrase and then attach it to your fingerprint. So whenever you want to unlock it, it will ask you for your fingerprint. For now, like, I've not set up my fingerprint yet, so that's why you're not seeing it there. I've been able to break down a little bit of what Nicholas have mentioned. I've gone through a lot of videos on YouTube, and I found out that a lot of people are looking for direct information of what this means to pioneers. If there are any questions, please leave it on the comment section. I'll do my best to respond to it. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so immediately I release a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, now stay back, relax, and I'm going to continue this video to show you how to actually create your wallet. I'm sure by now everyone has created their wallets from the browser, and it's no longer strange to anybody how to create the wallet. But if it's strange to you and you're finding it difficult to do, I've done a video that shows you how to actually create your wallet. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can transact through the wallet, exactly how you can send Pi from your wallet to someone else. So I've logged into the browser, and I've logged into the browser. It takes me straight to the welcome.pi page, where you can see the chat.pi, wallet.pi, brainstorm.pi, and mine.pi. The next thing I'm going to do when I get to this page is to click on wallet.pi. It will take me straight to this page where I have to key in my passphrase. Please concentrate and watch. In my past videos, I've always mentioned that if you make mistakes, you're going to get in trouble. Remember that this wallet is not a test wallet. What is a test reference is the Pi, not the wallet. The wallet is something that you'll be using right now to test the Pi inside it, test transactions that you can do with it. But the wallet itself, once created, is something you're going to use as long as you are a pioneer. Now, logging in, I've already set up my fingerprint. I've already set up my fingerprint from my device, so I don't need to paste my passphrase anymore. All I need to do is just simply click on unlock with Touch ID, and it pops up. I put my fingerprint and it comes up. Now, once you get to this page that shows you your balance and also gives you two options, receive and send. Receive is when you want to receive Pi from anyone. When you click on it, it takes you straight to where your public key will be displayed. So you can copy and send to whoever wants to send you Pi. Now let's go back. When you come back here, since we're trying to send Pi, what we need to do is click on send, and it brings us here. Now, before you decide to send Pi to anyone, make sure that you have already copied the person's public key. For me, I already have the public key copied, so what I would do is I'll simply click here, I'll paste it, and that's the public key for the individual I want to send Pi to. So I come to amount and I key in the amount I would like to send to him. Okay, this is the amount I would like to send to him. Now, the fee is 0.01. I'm not going to touch that. Then I go straight on to send. Once I get to send, it displays this for me to confirm that this is actually the recipient address that I want to send it to. Then I click on send. And in just some few seconds after that, I get a confirmation that says I have sent the Pi. Okay, transfer succeeded. Please refer to the history page for the full history of transaction. So this confirms to me that the Pi was successfully sent. So I click on close, and it brings me back to my balance. You can now see that there's a difference in my balance. Now, if I go straight to history, history will display every transaction I have made so far, and the very top one, the one at the top, is actually the one I just did some few seconds ago, which is 12.566 Pi, as you saw me do it earlier on. So that is exactly how you can send Pi. So if I click on back, it will take me back to this point. Now don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hit the notification button so once I release a new video, you'll be notified immediately. I'll be doing some videos to take us through what is going on and what we need to know about Pi. Until the next video, I leave you with these words: keep mining.